How did you feel, Veronica?
Doctor, it's been good.
Yeah.
I initially came with a lot of pain,
Hmm.
and I think he's done more than he was supposed to do.
You're
And
welcome.
I think now that I'm able to walk and look straight, bend as well.
That's nice.
So I think I'll be coming for more sessions because I'm in a really terrible condition at the moment.
Yeah.
But he's
Come,
doing a good job.
walk.
Thank you.